Welcome, fellow adventurers, to our channel, where we embark on sustainable and efficient travel. Today, we're diving into the art of mindful packing, ensuring you travel light, save the planet, and look fabulous doing it. By the end of this video, you'll be a packing wizard, ready to conquer the world, one perfectly rolled sock at a time. Let's dive in. Why stress over excess baggage and a cluttered suitcase when you can be a master of mindful packing? Not only will you glide through airports like a superhero, but you'll also be saving the planet from unnecessary waste. It's a win-win. Mindful packing allows you to pack strategically, ensuring you have everything you need while keeping your luggage light and manageable. We'll show you how to strike the perfect balance. Here's a comprehensive packing list for travelers. The essential documents include the following: passport, visa, if required, ID card or driver's license, travel insurance information, flight tickets or e-tickets, hotel reservations or accommodation details, emergency contact numbers and addresses, cash, credit cards, and/or travel money card. Next thing is about clothing. Choose your clothing based on the type of travel itinerary, which can include anything from t-shirts, blouses, shirts for tops, pants, shorts, skirts for bottoms, dresses or suits, if needed, undergarments and socks, sleepwear, jackets or sweaters, according to weather, swimwear, if applicable, comfortable walking shoes, dress shoes or heels, if needed, flip-flops or sandals, hat or cap, scarf or shawl, belts and accessories. And the list goes on, but you got the idea, right? Next, we need to consider the toiletries and personal care, which includes the following: travel-sized shampoo and conditioner, body wash or soap, toothbrush and toothpaste, dental floss, deodorant, moisturizer, sunscreen, insect repellent, razor or electric shaver, feminine hygiene products, if applicable, prescription medications, first aid kit that includes band-aids, antiseptic, pain relievers, contact lenses or glasses, if applicable, travel-sized laundry detergent. Next, we need to consider the electronics and gadgets such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and their respective or multi-connector charger, camera or video camera and accessories, power adapter or travel converter, portable power bank, headphones or earphones, travel speakers, e-book readers, and travel-sized surge protector. Next, we also need to consider some miscellaneous items such as travel-sized umbrella, travel pillow and blanket, travel towel, inflatable neck pillow, luggage locks, travel-sized sewing kit, travel-sized stain remover, Ziploc bags for organizing and storing of liquids, travel-sized toiletry bottles or containers, reusable water bottle, snacks and reusable food containers, travel journal or notebook, travel guidebook or maps, language guide or translation app, entertainment items such as books, magazines, playing cards, and so on. Depending on the type of your itinerary, you may also need to consider some items such as travel-sized hair styling tools, travel-sized iron or steamer, travel-sized portable fan, snorkel gear or water sports equipment, if applicable, hiking or camping gear, if applicable. Remember to consider the specific destination, weather conditions, and activities planned during your trip when selecting clothing and gear. Adapt this list according to your personal needs and preferences. Considering weather conditions and planned activities is crucial for packing suitable clothing and gear. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. 1. Research the destination. Start by researching the climate and weather patterns of your destination during the time of your visit. Determine the average temperature, precipitation, and any extreme weather conditions to anticipate what you might encounter. 2. Check the season. Consider the season in which you'll be traveling. Different seasons have varying temperature ranges and weather patterns, so pack accordingly. For example, summer may require lightweight and breathable clothing, while winter demands warm layers and protective outerwear. 3. Layering. Layering is key to adapt to changing weather conditions. Pack a combination of base layers, mid layers, and outerwear. Base layers, such as thermal tops and bottoms, provide warmth and moisture-wicking properties. Mid layers, like sweaters or light jackets, add insulation. Outerwear, such as a raincoat or a heavier coat, protects against wind, rain, or cold temperatures. 4. Consider activities. Think about the activities you'll be engaging in during your trip. If you're planning outdoor adventures like hiking or skiing, pack appropriate gear such as sturdy hiking boots, moisture-wicking clothing, and thermal layers. For beach vacations, include swimwear, sun protection, and beach attire. 5. Versatility. Pack versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. This helps you pack lighter while still having options for various occasions. Opt for neutral colors that can be easily paired together, and include accessories like scarves or statement pieces to change up your look. 6. Footwear. Choose footwear based on the activities and terrain you'll encounter. If you're planning on extensive walking or hiking, comfortable and supportive shoes are a must. For formal occasions, pack dress shoes or heels. Don't forget to include sandals or flip-flops for casual outings or beach days. 7. Special considerations. Consider any specific needs or requirements based on the destination. If you're visiting a conservative culture, modest clothing may be necessary. If you're traveling to a tropical area prone to mosquitoes, pack insect repellent and clothing that covers your skin. Also, don't forget any specialized gear or equipment if you have specific hobbies like snorkeling, diving, or photography. 8. Check travel restrictions. Be aware of any airline or transportation restrictions on baggage size, weight, or prohibited items. Ensure that your packing complies with these guidelines to avoid any hassles during your journey. Remember to pack based on practicality and your comfort level. It's better to be prepared for unexpected weather changes or activities while keeping your luggage manageable. Selecting versatile clothing pieces that can be mixed and matched is a game changer when it comes to efficient packing. Here's why it's significant. 1. Maximizes wardrobe options. When you pack versatile clothing, you open up a world of possibilities. Each item can be paired with multiple others, creating numerous outfit combinations. This allows you to create different looks and styles without packing excessive clothing. 2. Save space. By focusing on versatile pieces, you can significantly reduce the number of items in your suitcase. This saves valuable space and eliminates the need for bulky or unnecessary clothing items. A compact and organized suitcase means less stress during travel and more room for souvenirs or essentials. 3. Lightens the load. Packing fewer clothes means lighter luggage, which can make a world of difference during your trip. You'll avoid struggling with heavy bags and navigating crowded airports or train stations more easily. Plus, it leaves room for flexibility in case you want to bring back mementos or shopping finds. 4. Increases comfort. Versatile clothing options often prioritize comfort. You can pack clothing made from breathable fabrics, with stretch or adjustable features, or items that suit various climates. This ensures that you feel comfortable and confident throughout your journey. 5. Adapts to various occasions. Versatile clothing enables you to seamlessly transition from daytime explorations to evening outings or formal events. With a mix of casual and dressier pieces, you're prepared for any occasion that comes your way. Simply mix and match different tops, bottoms, and accessories to create the right look. 6. Expresses personal style. Versatile clothing doesn't mean sacrificing style. It allows you to showcase your creativity by combining different pieces and accessories to reflect your personal style. Experiment with different patterns, colors, and textures to add flair to your outfits while traveling. 7. Supports sustainable fashion. Embracing versatility in your wardrobe aligns with sustainable fashion practices. By investing in quality, timeless pieces that can be worn repeatedly, you reduce the demand for fast fashion and minimize your environmental impact. Remember, when selecting versatile clothing, focus on items that can be dressed up or down, mixed and matched, and suit various weather conditions. Think about neutral colors or coordinating shades that can easily blend together. By curating a versatile wardrobe, you'll be ready for any adventure and look effortlessly stylish along the way. Congratulations, my mindful packers! You're now equipped with the knowledge and wit to pack sustainably and efficiently. Remember, it's not just about traveling light, it's about traveling with intention and a sprinkle of style. Thank you for joining our packing adventure today. Stay tuned for more sustainable travel tips and wisdom. Safe travels, my fabulous adventurers! If you enjoyed this video on mindful packing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos. Share your packing triumphs or hilarious packing mishaps in the comments below. Let's pack light, travel responsibly, and spread laughter across the globe. Until our next escapade, happy and safe travels, my fellow travelers. Take care and bye-bye.